Here are the only 5 rules you'll ever need in 2026 to become a consistently profitable trader. And if you're a working professional, someone managing a full-time job, or even a business owner and thinking trading can be your path to financial and time freedom, but instead it's become another source of stress and confusion, well, you're in the right place. Because in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to give you 5 simple trading rules that have helped everyday people, accountants, engineers, other professionals become profitable, consistent traders, even if they started with zero experience. And even if you miss one of these rules, you'll stay stuck in that painful cycle of losing money, second-guessing yourself, and never building real consistency. These are the non-negotiables of trading, and here's what we're covering today. The exact 5 rules that separate losing traders from profitable ones. Why most traders fail, and it's not because of the lack of discipline. Real proof from people who went from complete beginners to making $1,500 in a single day. Now a quick disclaimer. Trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This is for educational purposes. Trading involves risk, and past performance does not guarantee future results. Like any skill, it takes time, practice, and proper risk management. My name is Troy Noonan. I've been trading for 34 years, and I'm the author of a top 10 Amazon best-selling book on trading. But more importantly, I've helped thousands of working professionals from Microsoft, Amazon, and other companies become what I call CEO traders. People who treat trading like a business, not a gamble. Let's get into it. So let me ask you this. Have you ever found yourself jumping from one trading strategy to another, hoping this time it'll work? Or maybe you've stared at your charts for hours, paralyzed by fear, afraid to pull the trigger because you didn't want to lose money again. Here's a brutal truth. Most gurus won't tell you. You don't have a discipline problem. You have a clarity problem. You see, trading doesn't fail because you're not tough enough or because you didn't watch enough training video. It fails because you don't have a simple, repeatable, rule-based system that you trust. And without that trust, every loss destroys your confidence. Every win feels like luck, and you're always one bad trade away from giving up. I know this because I've been there. Early in my career, I took a trade. I call it the wife trade, with real money on the line. The market moved against me hard. My heart was pounding. I was sweating, but I stuck to my rules, stuck to my trade plan, and that trade not only recovered, it gave me my first taste of real freedom, after which I backpacked across Europe for the next 3 months. That's when I realized humans don't make good traders. Rules do. And today, I'm going to give you the 5 rules that eliminate the guesswork, fear, and the emotional roller coaster. But first, a myth we need to destroy. You need to quit your job and stare at charts all day to become a profitable trader. BS. Some of my best students trade for less than 10 minutes a day, and they are consistently profitable. Mike, for example, he's 53, had never seen a stock chart before. He knew less than nothing about trading. 7 months later, he's successfully trading his plan every morning for approximately an hour or less. So if you're still watching, that tells me you're serious. Let's dive into rule number 1. Rule number 1, trade like a CEO, not a gambler. Here's the problem. Most people treat trading like a slot machine. They take random trades, hope for the best, and when it doesn't work, they blame the market or bad luck. But profitable traders, they treat trading like a business. They have a trade plan that tells them exactly when and where to enter, where to place their stop loss, where to take a profit, when to walk away. No guessing, no emotions, just rules. Let me give you an example. Robert and Kelly, a married couple, came to me wanting financial freedom. They tested over 25 different trade plans, and then they found a trade plan that showed a 91% win rate over 122 sessions. And this is insane. But ask yourself this: would you rather take any old random trade, or would you prefer to place a trade from a plan that's showing a 91% win rate? Luck or a proven system? And here's the kicker. Kelly wasn't even a trader. She was the one executing the plan, while Robert handled the strategy from a prison cell. That's quite a challenge in itself. He literally wasn't there to execute the trade. If you want a full case study on how he became profitable, let me know in the comments and I'll make a video on it. Rule number 2, use the power of quitting. This might sound crazy, but hear me out on this. The secret to making more money in trading is knowing when to stop trading. I call this the power of quitting. And here's how it works. Your trading plan has certain goals that are built into the rules. And once you hit those goals, you're done for the day. You close your platform and walk away from the screen. Because most traders make money money in the morning and then give it all back in the afternoon, chasing that one more trade. Scott, one of my students, a marketing professional, now trades this way. He told me 50% of the time, I'm one and done. I take one trade, hit my target, and then I go play golf or spend the time with my kids. Joe, another student who's 65, sometimes hits his daily goal before the market even opens by placing limit order. Then he spends the rest of his day doing whatever he wants. That's the power of quitting. Small, consistent wins compound massively over time. And the best part, you're not stressed, you're not overwhelmed, you're not gambling, and you're trading like a CEO. Now, if you're thinking, okay, Troy, this makes sense, but how do I actually build a trade plan that works? I've got two ways I can help you. Option number one, book a strategy call with my team. This is a deep dive session where we map out exactly what you need to do to become a profitable CEO trader. Or option two, if you're brand new or want to start with the fundamentals first, grab the Quick Start Trading Bootcamp. This is a $1,000 bootcamp, but if you sign up from the link below, you'll get our golden ticket 90% discount for just $97, which also includes my best strategy. You'll learn the core techniques that have helped thousands of traders achieve long-term consistency. And both links are below. All right, well, let's move on to rule number three. Rule number three, test your plan before you risk real money. Here's something most traders never do. They never back test their strategy. They watch a YouTube video, think that looks cool, and immediately start trading real money. Then they lose, and they think the strategy doesn't work. But here's the truth. You can't build confidence without data. When you back test a trade plan and you see over hundreds of trades with an 80%, 86%, even a 91% win rate, your confidence skyrocket. You know your edge. You know the probabilities. You're not guessing anymore. Now let me give you some proof. I have a strategy called the Catapult Trader. Over a 10-year back test, it delivered an 84% win rate and a 2.51 profit factor. Another strategy for the Euro US had an 86% win rate over 10 years, 2.68 profit factor. These are battle-tested, data-proven systems. And here's the best part. Trading is the only business where you can test your plan in simulation before you risk real money. You can't do that with real estate or other investments, but in trading, you can save yourself years of losses by simply testing first. Rule number four, risk management. Here's a mistake I see all the time. Traders risk way too much on a single trade. They think, if I just risk $1,000 on this one, I can make $5,000. Then they lose, and now they're down big, and they start revenge trading to make it back. Here's the rule. Never risk more than 1 or 2% of your account on a single trade, because even the best trade plans lose sometimes. Robert and Kelly's 91% win rate plan still had 14 losses, but because they used responsible risk levels, those losses didn't blow up their account. In fact, Kelly said even after a losing week, it doesn't hurt the plan. We still grow. That's the power of proper risk management. Miles, one of my longtime students, told me he sometimes trades with 4 to 10 contracts on bonds. He uses the 1 to 2% rule to determine his position size, and it's all a part of the same rule-based strategy, and those rules served him well. He makes $1,500 on good days, only risking 1 to 2% of his account on any trade. And CEO traders protect their capital like it's their most valuable asset, because it is. Risk small, win consistently, compound over time. That's how real wealth is built. Now listen, if you're still watching, you're clearly serious about this, and I want to make sure you have a path forward. So here's what I recommend. If you want the fastest route to building and testing a proven trade plan, book a strategy call with my team. We'll walk you through exactly what you need. The link is in the description. If you're newer and want to learn the fundamentals first, grab the Quick Start Trading Bootcamp. It's just $97, and you'll get the same core strategies my six-figure students use every day. Now let's talk about rule number 5. Rule number 5, think in probabilities, not emotions. Here's the final rule, and it's the one that separates amateurs from professionals. Stop thinking about individual trades. Start thinking about probabilities. See, most traders get emotionally destroyed by a single loss. They think, I lost today. This strategy doesn't work. I need a new one. But professional traders, they know if they have an 85% win rate, they're going to lose 15% of the time. And that's okay, because over 100 trades, you know they're going to be profitable. That's thinking in probability. Joe, the 65-year-old student I mentioned earlier, said this: whether you win or lose today has no influence on your overall outcome. The strategy does the work for you. That's a powerful mindset shift. And here's how you develop it. You journal your trade. You track your data. If you get into my boot camp, you'll get my most powerful tool for journaling and for creating your trade plan so that you can trade like a pro. That's actually a $500 product, but if you get into my boot camp, you'll get it as an added free bonus. You look at your win rate, profit factor, your average winner versus your average loser, and once you see the numbers over time, you stop reacting emotionally to every single trade. Miles put it perfectly. I don't care if I lose one trade. I evaluate my performance by the week and the month. That's how CEO traders think. They play the long game. All right, let's recap what we covered today. Rule number 1, trade like a CEO, not a gambler. Have a clear rule-based trade plan. Rule number 2, use the power of quitting. Hit your target, walk away. Rule number 3, test your plan before you risk real money. Backtest until you have confidence. Rule number 4, risk management. Protect your capital at all costs. Rule number 5, think in probabilities, not emotions. Focus on long-term outcomes, not single trade. If you apply these 5 rules that I just shared, your trading will look completely different in the next 30 days. But here's the truth. Knowledge without action is just entertainment. So here's what I want you to do next. Option 1, if you're serious about becoming a profitable CEO trader as fast as possible, book a strategy call with my team. We'll build a custom roadmap for you, but we only have a limited amount of slots open for this. So check out the link below and book your call now. Option 2, if you're newer or want to start with all the trading fundamentals, grab the Quick Start Trading Bootcamp for just $97. It's a killer 90% discount, and you'll get the exact techniques, patterns, and strategies that have helped thousands of traders build real consistency. Both links are in the description. And remember, you're not 5 strategies away from success. You're not 10 hours of screen time away. You're one simple, repeatable trade plan away. Mike went from knowing nothing to profitability in 7 short months. Scott trades once a day and spends the rest of his time with his family. Joe often hits his trading goals before the market even opens. Robert and Kelly tested and found a 91% win rate trade plan. You can do this too. I'm rooting for you. Book a strategy call now or join my Quick Start Trading Bootcamp and get started. See you on the inside.